Alright, so here we are with another under the cabinet radio, because Mom wanted a black one for the kitchen, so the Sony one I got, I guess, is going to go in the garage, which, on top of the fridge, so at least it'll have a home. But here's another one. This is actually the second time I'm starting this video, because I accidentally forgot to cover up my address, but I did it now, and I know, same setup as last time, because obviously this is a big box, so I got all the lights on, but I know it's kind of hard to see once I get it out of the box, so I can put it up on my desk. Anyway, here we are. So, postage. At first we were kind of confused, because it's a Sam's Club box. I guess, you know, they just repurposed the box, just like the last one came in a Nature's Bounty box, and we were like, what the heck, but yeah. Anyway, estimated delivery date, August 3rd, 2021. Well, it did actually get here today, and it's the 4th, so only one day off. That ain't bad. And their username is Duke Ladies Clothing 2. Interesting. And their address is 1761 South Old 3C Highway, Galena, Ohio, 43021. Interesting. 3-day priority mail, huh? Alright, so there's the front of the box, I guess. Kind of turned, at the top, I guess, yeah. Bottom. Just a bunch of Sam's Club logos. So I guess technically this could be the top. And this is the bottom, I guess. Expect something special. And then these are like the sides, I guess. Well, that just says expect something. Oh, because they covered it up. And then it's all covered in like clear tape. Obviously, all the Sam's Club tape's ripped up. Oh, that says, please recycle me. I think they did a pretty good job of that. So anyway, let's see, where am I gonna, how do I open this? Okay, right there. I can open it. Open my drawer here. Find the knife part of it. And then I gotta dig the thing out, because it always likes to go in there. Alright, so right here. And then also this one is a little bit newer, which is nice. This one's from 2009. So it has an auxiliary jack in, which is nice. And then it also has an old school iPod connector, which I can get which I will. I'll get a Bluetooth adapter for it. It'll get power from it and everything, and then it'll also be Bluetooth. And that's only $5 on eBay. So I'll get that coming here pretty soon. Might even order it tonight yet. Oh, by the way, well, I suppose you saw it earlier, but yeah, 7:41 p.m. or 1941 in military time, as they call it, or 24-hour time, really. I like that time. Wish the whole country used it, because it's just more efficient, makes more sense. Anyway, so here we got some packaging. Here we just got some, like, paper bag, like a paper bag type material, I suppose, to keep it protected. Some styrofoam. Some more of this paper bag material. All these sealed air things, but this is the only one that has air. All the rest are already popped. Some more paper bag material. Oh, here we go. Oop. There you can see the main unit in bubble wrap. This one at least has a few more still intact. no longer. And here we are, presented with the main unit. Oh look, there's a lone one. And here's the main unit. And that's just an empty box. Alright, actually I'm gonna put it up on the desk. Put you up in my usual spot there. Put the knife away. Okay. And then look at all the packaging this thing created. Alright. And we're back here now. Yay! Alright. And I think this is pretty cool too. Like, it's plugged, then you can also plug another thing into the back, like your Christmas light. So, you know, you're not wasting an outlet thing when you do that too. So, that's pretty cool. You're not wasting a plug. So, looks like they put a little piece of tape around the plug. And it is grounded as well, which is kind of interesting. The other one isn't, so let's get this bubble wrap off in here. It's wrapped around it, what, like 2 or 3 times? There it is. It's actually pretty glossy still, wow. Here's all the bubble wrap. Getting to more of the packaging. They did a really good job packaging this, making sure it didn't get damaged in shipping, so good for them. Anyway, and then again, here's, oh, they even taped it, but here's all of the mounting brackets, and this one has a remote too, which is kind of cool. It's got like the volume on it and on and off, but it doesn't have a source on it or a tune, but oh well. It's not like I'm using it that much. And then here's the FM antenna. Alright, yeah, I think you guys can see that, huh? Yeah, caution, risk of electric shock, blah blah blah. Hamilton Beach, model HU384SA, iPod docking. I don't know what UTC means, but under cabinet, but then what does the T stand for? I don't know. FM, this is like the frequency range. FM 87.5 to 108 or 107.9. AM 520 to 1710. AC 120 volts, not worldwide capable. Starlight Consumer Electronics, manufactured July 2009. Okay, so this is the back of the machine. Maybe we just went over, I guess, technically the top. FM antenna. Exposure all over the place. FM antenna. AC power in. I love how they're trying to be like all cool, like not by putting. I suppose let's shut this light off. No, then that just makes it all dark. Anyway, AC power in there. I love how they're trying to be like all cool by putting it lowercase, like iHome. I suppose they were trying to compete with them because they were pretty big at this time. But what is that? Right side empty, left side empty. Oh, I guess. Oh, the volume's just a couple buttons on the front. I see. Well, I guess let's go over the bottom here then. Couple speakers where the sound comes out of, and then a couple lights too. So that didn't have that. The Sony one doesn't have that either, which is pretty cool. And then right here is the iPod thing. Open, push down. Right there, that's pretty cool. Wait, what is this? It says open like... Oh, is that like a battery backup there? A couple AAAs. Cool. That doesn't... Sony doesn't have that either, but it has like a little rechargeable battery in there. I mean, it's almost completely shot though. I mean, like, it only lasts like 10 seconds. Anyway, yeah, and then it tells you like which ones they're for, like which iPod, you know, which iPod it's for, and then obviously, yeah, it's the old 30 pin there. I can't really get the light on it, but it basically just moves the dock connector up and down, I think, right? Yeah, it does something, I think. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure the Bluetooth adapter would fit in any of those because it's so small. Anyway, so on-off button, light button. These are all like you know, the same ones on here, the clean remote. You know, they're like all ones where you can easily just wipe it off. You know, which I guess is good for a kitchen. A couple timers. There's the volume and the time adjust, and then there's the light toggle on and off. There's the infrared for the remote. Conversion, I don't know what that is. Is it? I don't know what that is. Up and down, I'm guessing. Oh, that's tuning. Up and down. What else is channel? Does it? Oh, this must not have presets. Well, I guess Sony's better in that regard. Play pause, I guess that's for the iPod, and then function. Oh, that's function. I don't know. I guess it's just play pause for the iPod. That would be cool, actually, if the Bluetooth adapter did that too. Like if you press that button, it would pause it, maybe. And then the two, I guess it has two displays. Interesting. So, again, let's do the same thing here, and let's. I think I used my garbage last time, so we'll use that again to... Oh, it doesn't actually reach it, though, so that flap is going to kind of be in the way. There we go. Alright, make sure it's focused on it. I suppose we can shut that off now. Well, nah, keep it on. Well, we'll see if it has a backlight, I guess. Alright. Yep, gotta unplug the battery charger again. Oh, it does exit out the top, though, I suppose, for that outlet saver, which is a little weird. But... Okay, yeah, I'm glad I left that on there. You guys can barely see that. Would it be better with it off? No, I can't even see it then. Anyway, yeah, it's flashing noon. There's the light. It's pretty light. It's pretty bright. It's like 6 LEDs in both of them. But yeah, geez, that is a really dim display. Does it not have a backlight? Does it not have a backlight? I mean, you guys can barely see that. I don't know. Alright, let's just try and set it, I guess. Okay, time adjust. I wonder if you have to hold both of them down. How do you, God, why the heck is that so hard to read? I don't know how to set the time. Wait, did it go out? I don't know. Oh, it's flashing. Milliliters? Oh, tables, so you can literally like do conversions on here. God, why the hell is this display so dark? I don't know. wonder if I mean, okay, I'm gonna do this. Turn it up really high, maybe? Turn the exposure up really high? I guess, yeah, there it says teaspoon, fluid ounces, cup, pint, quart, gallon, milliliters, teaspoon, tablespoon. Interesting, but still though, I need to... Oh, there's FM radio. There's the timer. How the hell do you set the clock? Yeah, I don't know. How the hell do you set the clock? I mean, it says time adjust, volume. Hold the two down. Yeah, I don't know. Oh. Oh, there we go. So you press enter, okay. So there's minutes. Let's see what minute is it? 54. I don't know how well you can see that. Probably not very. Alright, 7:54. Oops, I went too far. Okay, and then you use these to control the hour. Oh, it doesn't even have AM or PM. 7:54, okay. And then... So there's the volume. FM radio, other function. AM radio, 1460. iPod, it just says no. AUX. And then FM radio. Oh, it does have presets. Use these for the presets. So preset 1 is 96.5. Preset 0 is 90.1. Preset... What is it? Okay, 98.1, 106.1, 107.9, 87.5, and then we're back to 90.1. Okay, interesting. What are the AM presets? Oops. It's 1460, 1410, 1480, 1490. Oh, I'm doing the wrong ones. Oh, crap. Okay. 1110, 1400, 1000, 600, 520, and then we're back to 1110. Okay. So, I'm just gonna... You know what? I'm not even gonna try for stations here because I know it's not gonna work. Shit. It's not gonna work as good. So, I'm just gonna shut it off. Move it out there. And I'll report back to you tomorrow. I'll put it in the description, you know, what kind of stations it picks up. I mean, obviously, I'm sure it's going to pick up locals, but what about distance and fringes? By the way, the Sony does pick up distance and fringes. However, it does have a problem with adjacent channel interference. So, like, it won't pick up 102.1 because there's a distant translator on 102.3, but it'll pick up 102.9 because there's nothing on either of the adjacent channels. So anyway, yeah, right here we're in just after the 20-minute mark, and there's my reminder that it's 8 o'clock, time to go to bed. Anyway, yeah, I'm looking forward to using this. And then here's like the, you know, the radio and stuff. And I mean, yeah, I'm looking forward to using this as a better radio than what we got out there now. It's just an old clock radio that's analog and everything. So yeah, it'd be nice to use this. So anyway, see you later, I guess, or with something else. Huh? I don't want to have to edit this either. Nice. But yeah. All right, time to get to bed. I will hopefully see you sometime soon, but I don't know when that'll be. And yeah, this thing's going good though, and I'm looking forward to using it.